Hey guys, I just learned something new, and it's a hell of a procedure to unclog your air conditioner if your overflow valve for the excess water that comes out gets clogged up. This is the best way to do it. Just come over to your house, wherever it is. If it's a pipe going down here, you would put the wet vac in on there, but in this particular case, this house is like this, and just stick hose in there, cover it up with your hand to hold the suction, and turn it on. Now I'm going to show you what I pulled out. Look at that. That was actually all in the line. That's like 2 gallons right there. But look at the junk. Look at this. So there you have it. Don't pay that $180 to have the air conditioner guy come over here and fix the leak that you have in the air conditioning. It's probably the line is clogged up, and you see how easy it is to get done. So there you go. Subscribe to this channel if this helps. Hit that like button, and I appreciate you. Take care.